Welcome to the Curious Culture Club. Can you imagine a man setting himself on fire outside the courthouse? This is just one of the dramatic scenes unfolding as the historic criminal trial of Donald Trump begins. This trial marks a momentous occasion in political history, with the former president standing before a panel of 12 jurors and 6 alternates. These individuals have been carefully chosen, undergoing intense scrutiny and questioning based on their personal experiences and political views. The selection process has been anything but ordinary. Potential jurors have been dismissed, stirring emotions and creating a palpable tension in the courtroom. Even Trump himself has expressed frustration with the trial process, stifled by a gag order that prevents him from speaking out. But who are these jurors, really? They are the ones entrusted with the hefty responsibility of deciding the outcome of this trial. Their backgrounds, their beliefs, their ability to remain impartial, all of these factors will play a crucial role in the weeks to come. With the trial expected to last 6 weeks, let's delve into who these jurors really are. 12 jurors and 6 alternates selected after scrutinizing their personal backgrounds, political views, and ability to remain impartial. But who are they? Well, let's dive in. These individuals hail from diverse backgrounds, but they share a common duty: to decide the outcome of one of the most high-profile trials in recent history. The selection process was no easy task. It involved intense questioning, dismissals, and even replacements due to potential conflicts. The first 7 jurors were initially sworn in, but 2 faced an early exit, leaving 5 standing strong. It was then that the remaining jurors, along with 6 alternates, were called to fill the void, bringing the total back up to 12 jurors. Now let's take a closer look at these jurors. They are everyday individuals, just like you and me, but they now find themselves in the middle of a historical event. They are teachers, engineers, retirees, and students, all with their own unique perspectives. They come from all corners of New York, each carrying their own set of experiences and viewpoints into the courtroom. Despite their differences, they all share one commonality: the ability to remain impartial. This is a trait that was rigorously tested during the selection process. Their ability to put aside their personal beliefs and focus solely on the facts presented to them is paramount. In the end, their collective decision will shape the course of history. They are the final arbiters, the ones who will determine whether the allegations of a catch-and-kill scheme are substantiated or not. Their verdict will have far-reaching implications, not only for the defendant but for the entire nation. Each juror carries a heavy responsibility, but they are not the only key figures in this case. In addition to the jury, the trial is a showcase for key players like Judge Juan Merchan, Michael Cohen, Stormy Daniels, Allen Weisselberg, and others. Now let's take a deep dive into their roles and significance in this historic trial. Kicking off, we have Judge Juan Merchan presiding over the case. Merchan, a veteran jurist, is renowned for his meticulous approach to the law. His balanced and impartial demeanor will be crucial to ensuring a fair trial. Next, Michael Cohen, a former attorney for Donald Trump, is an influential figure due to his insider knowledge of Trump's business dealings. His testimony could have a profound impact in revealing the allegations against Trump. Stormy Daniels, an adult film actress, is another major player in this trial. She's at the epicenter of the alleged catch-and-kill scheme that forms the trial's foundation. The prosecution alleges payments were made to Daniels to bury negative stories prior to the 2016 election, then concealed in Trump's business records. Her testimony will undoubtedly be a trial focus. Not forgetting Allen Weisselberg, Trump Organization's CFO, his knowledge of the company's finances could be a game-changer in this trial. Alvin Bragg, the Manhattan District Attorney, is leading the charge against Trump's alleged wrongdoings. Karen McDougal, another woman involved in the catch-and-kill scheme, could provide additional testimony regarding these allegations. David Pecker, the former CEO of American Media Inc., reportedly assisted in suppressing damaging stories about Trump, making his testimony crucial. On the defense side, we have Todd Blanche and Susan Nichels. Blanche is leading the defense for Weisselberg, and Nichels is representing the Trump Organization. Their arguments will be significant in the courtroom. Finally, Hope Hicks, a close aide to Trump, may also be brought into the spotlight due to her close ties with the administration. But it's not just these individuals that matter. Prosecutors, defense attorneys, and witnesses each play their own key role in this legal drama. The prosecutors will present the case against Trump, the defense attorneys will counter with their argument, and the witnesses will provide the evidence that will likely influence the jury. It's crucial to note that while these individuals are key players, they are also part of a larger judicial system tasked with upholding the law. Their roles, significant as they are, form part of the broader process of justice and accountability. Each of these individuals plays a vital part in one of the most important trials of our time. As the trial unfolds, their actions and decisions will indubitably shape history. Now that we've met the key players, let's delve deeper into the complexities of this trial. This is no ordinary case. It's a labyrinth of legal maneuvering, high-stakes testimonies, and intricate connections. The prosecution's case hinges on proving that Trump's business dealings were not just unethical, but illegal. They will need to provide concrete evidence that Trump knowingly and intentionally manipulated his business records to his advantage, a task that will require a careful dissection of complex financial documents and potentially damaging testimonies from key witnesses. On the other hand, the defense will argue that these are mere business practices and not criminal wrongdoings. They will have to convince the jury that the prosecution's case is built on speculation rather than solid evidence. Their task is equally daunting, as they must not only refute the prosecution's claims, but also maintain the credibility of their clients in the face of mounting public scrutiny. Furthermore, the testimonies from key witnesses like Michael Cohen, Stormy Daniels, and Alan Weisselberg will be crucial in shaping the jury's perception of the case. Their words could potentially sway the trial in favor of either side, adding an extra layer of suspense to the proceedings. In the midst of all this, Judge Juan Merchan's role becomes even more critical. He will need to navigate through this maze of legal arguments and testimonies to ensure a fair trial, a task that requires a deep understanding of the law and an unwavering commitment to justice. But remember, this trial is not just about these individuals. It's about the integrity of our judicial system and the quest for truth and accountability. Regardless of the outcome, this trial is a testament to the fact that no one is above the law. As we delve deeper into this legal drama, it's clear that this trial is more than just a battle between the prosecution and the defense. It's a complex web of legalities, personalities, and power dynamics that will indubitably leave its mark on history. Stay tuned as we continue to unravel the intricacies of this historic trial. We hope you found this inside scoop on Trump's trial jury informative and intriguing. The complexities of the trial, the tension of the testimonies, and the gravity of the case all contribute to a captivating narrative. And remember, this is only the beginning. There's much more to uncover as this historic trial unfolds. If you're as intrigued by the intricacies of legal battles and high-powered courtroom drama as we are, then you won't want to miss our future videos. We'll continue to delve into the heart of this trial, bringing you detailed analyses and insights you won't find anywhere else. So make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss our next video. But before you go, we'd love to hear from you. Did you learn something new about Trump's trial today? What are your thoughts on the key players and their roles? Do you think the prosecution will be able to prove their case beyond a reasonable doubt? Or will the defense succeed in refuting their claims? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We love hearing from you, and your input adds depth to the discussion. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button and let us know your thoughts in the comments below.